hot water and heating control panel. So when you come to it, it'll be like this. If you plug it into an electrical cup, you'll have a little plug sign there. If you haven't got a plug sign, then it means you haven't got 240 volt coming into the van. So we've got a main button. Press the main button. So you've got several different options. You've got a campervan flashing. You can scroll across, look. That's the hot water. So that's flashing. The next one is the setting, whether you have it on gas or electric. The last one is your fan setting, so how much you want it to actually blow out of the heater. First job, select, let's just go back, sorry. Right, first job, click onto the gas or electric setting, press enter. Currently set on gas. You can scroll across. You've got mix 1, mix 2, don't worry about them. Or you've got electric 1 or electric 2. So if you're on electrical cup, which I am at the moment, set this to electric 2. That's your power setting done. Next job, if you want the heating on, scroll to the campervan and press enter. Currently says off. So you've got your temperature. So set your temperature. You have to adjust this yourself. It'll turn on and off it wherever you set the temperature. Press enter. That now means the campervan's flashing. You've got a flame at the top here. And you've got 2 squiggles there, which is saying you're on electric hookup and using electric for the heating. Takes a minute or so, see it start flashing. And then you'll start hearing the fan start up and blowing hot air around the van. Now, whenever you've got the heating on, so in the winter time, it also heats up the hot water as well. So hot water wise, if you're on electric, it takes about 25-30 minutes to warm up a full tank of hot water. Now this is 13 litres, so may sound like a lot, but if you're in the shower, 13 litres of hot water will soon disappear. It's not a combi boiler, so once the hot water's gone, you've then got to wait another 25-30 minutes for the hot water to get yourself back up to temperature. So when you're in the shower, literally jump in the shower, wash yourself down, turn the shower off, and keep doing it like that so you don't use all the hot water in one go. Because if you leave it on, 13 litres will go in about 2.5 minutes, 3 minutes at the most. So literally keep turning the shower on and off and don't use it all at one go. So once it's up to temperature, it'll just turn itself off and keep coming in. So you can adjust the temperature and go down to whatever you like. Press enter and that's working. Now to turn it off, press enter, go all the way to the off and that turns it off. So if there's nothing in the top, there's nothing turned on. If you just want to use the hot water, scroll across to the hot water one, press enter, currently off. You've got eco, hot or boost. So if you wanted to work a bit faster, you put it on boost. Hot, that is hot, it's red hot. Eco's more than good enough, or off. So when you set the hot water, put it on hot, press enter. And what that'll do is the top one will start flashing. And when it stops flashing, it means you've got a full tank of hot water. So I say that's about 13 litres. Same again, if you turn it off, press the enter button, scroll to that one, turn it off, everything's off, nothing's on in the top panel. Now if you're not on electrical cup, you can use it on gas. So put it onto gas, scroll across to gas, press enter, and the heating hot water will work on gas then. It's a lot quicker on gas, the van will warm up a lot quicker. Hot water will warm up a lot quicker on gas. But obviously if you're on electrical cup, you may as well use the electric. When you've set the heating, so if you put the heating on, so the heating's on, you can then scroll across to the fan, just like that, press enter. Currently on eco, so it'll just blow out a little bit. You've got a high setting, and then after 2 or 3 minutes after the heating's been on, you can also have a boost setting. So if it's cold winter, you can set it on boost and it'll warm this fan up within 5 minutes. So that's that done. So as I say, go to that, turn it off. Nothing is on then. You shouldn't need any of these settings at the bottom, so don't scroll across to them. If for any reason you get a triangle, a black triangle that comes up here, and a code, there'll be a code on the screen. That's a fault code. It means you've done something wrong 99% of the time. Normally, if you've not turned it off and you start the van ignition or something like that, it'll just trip the heater out. I'd rather you give me a call directly, and I'll explain what to do to resolve that. It's nothing serious, nothing wrong. It's just I have to find out what the code is. It'll tell me what's gone wrong. I can then reset the code in a certain way, so it'll work again for you. So hopefully you've got all that. If you have any issues while you're out on hire, just give me a call. I'd rather run you through how everything works and go from there. But as I say with this, just before you move off or going anywhere else or going out, just making sure there's nothing in the top panel, and that's nothing on the heating or hot water. Last thing I've just remembered, which I forgot, on the front there's blinds. So all the way around the front screen there's blinds. So all you do, see that there, that's got 2 little buttons and you press down, slide the blinds across, same across on the A-pillar there, you just slide them across, it magnets into the middle, same on that one, and that blocks all that for you at night time. There we go.